Greetings, my name is Fadayz and I am the founder of the Self-Expression Academy, and this video is basically a reminder to everybody who's given it all for something and people continue not to show up. When I was in foster homes, I would speak my mind and get in a fight every time, but still I would not waver. When I was in junior high and I went to the school dances and everybody would jump in a circle and do their thing and people would cheer, then I'd jump in a circle and everybody would walk away. I danced anyway. I refused to waver. When I played basketball in high school in a suburban town and I was pretty much the only brother there, I would go as hard as everybody else there, probably twice as hard. And when somebody did their thing, people would cheer. When I scored the point, nobody cheered. And it just fueled me. Still, I refused to waver. Present time, I open up a space for all artists to come together and do their thing. No one shows up, so I have to show up for myself. I refuse to waver. And if you're out there doing your thing, and there's a bunch of people calling themselves your friend, and they're not showing up for you, don't waver. If you're $855 short on rent, and people come around when it's time to party and they don't come around when it's time to help you, on the first of every month they know what it is, but they disappear miraculously for some strange reason, refuse to waver. If you're in a state that ignores you intentionally because you're doing something totally different and it's not trendy, refuse to waver. You're here for a reason. You were given an idea, you were given a talent, you were given the drive to not waver, so you shouldn't waver. No matter how hard it gets, no matter if no one at all shows up, no matter how far behind you get with paying bills for whatever it is you're doing, refuse to waver, because this is all training. And when the training is over, you'll be rewarded with a light that shines brighter than the sun. Not fame, not fortune, not partying, not any of that stuff that people are distracted by, but true foundation. Right now you're planting roots that nobody can see but you. Nobody can feel but you. Nobody can visualize but you. You have to keep moving forward. And every single time you feel like things are rough, you have to say to yourself, and say it religiously, I will not waver. Say it honorably, I will not waver. Say it over and over and over again until it becomes real. So all the doubt, all the fear, all the ignoring, all the non-support, none of that matters. Because there's 4 words that keeps going on over and over and over in your head. I will not waver. Peace. As always, you are the adventure you seek.